So our next presentation is going to be a team of computer science students who are going to tell us about their project called Renew SU. So if you've ever used Craigslist, this is very similar, but it's for Seattle U. So here we go.
All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Renew SU project team, improving campus sustainability with Renew SU presentation. Next slide, please. My name is Ying Liang, and now we have the rest of our team members to introduce themselves.
My name is Carolina Angelica.
My name is Ajay.
My name's Anais Barha.
And next slide, please. And we have Professor James Obare from the CS department as our project advisor. We're also working closely with Yolanda from the Center of Environmental Justice and Sustainability Office, and Richard from the Facilities Operation Department on this project. Please. In the following presentation, we will discuss some of the global environmental problems we faced and move on to take a closer look at the SU campus sustainability. Then we will introduce our project Renew SU and discuss how it will be helpful for further improving our campus sustainability and potentially have an impact on the global environmental problem. Now, Anais will talk about the global problems we define in the project context.
Thank you, Yingying. In the past few decades, we have drastically changed our shopping habits. We no longer buy things with the intention of repairing them if they break. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, the amount of durable goods that enter our landfills has increased by about 300% in only the last 50 years. The pollution and toxins produced from both manufacturing products to tossing them in landfills has heavily impacted our ecosystem. Next slide, please. Thankfully, we have already begun to see some changes, including the increase in use of reusable water bottles, straws, and grocery bags. But plastic straws and bottles aren't what's filling up our landfills and contaminating our oceans. It's the tons of other waste we produce. Carolina, what can you tell us about our campus sustainability?
Thank you, Anais. Our campus has been actively contributing in improving our campus sustainability for years to reach their zero waste goal. Based on 2018 data, SU generated 1,900 tons of waste each year, but out of those, 71% of them were able to be reduced. About 35 tons or 1.84% of them was able to be donated or resold, and other methods like composting and recycling were also used to divert the waste from the landfill. Next slide, please. Even in the present time, CLU is upholding their mission by recycling and reducing their greenhouse emissions. For the university to be able to achieve its goal of being zero waste by 2025, CLU need to reduce the amount of waste generated and increase its waste diversion rate to about 90%. Next slide. Right now, our campus does not have a platform that gives the SU community a place to give away used items easily. Our project aims to provide that, at the same time keeping track of the number of items being renewed. This also should only be accessible to SU community members. The data collected and can be utilized and analyzed to make future decisions for our campus sustainability, to improve our campus sustainability, hopefully assisting the university in reaching their zero waste goal by 2025. Now I'm going to pass it to Ajur to talk more about our project.
Thank you, Carolina. So now let's define our project in very clear terms. What is our problem? Our problem is wasted resources. Many people have unwanted items that they often end up throwing away, and those items could be wanted by other people. Now, what is the solution to this problem? Well, we're creating a platform to encourage users to recycle those items amongst each other so that those items could find their way to the hands of the people who need them. And the impact of this would be to reduce spending, we'll conserve resources, reduce waste, encourage a more circular economy on the SU campus, and ultimately build a more social community. And now that we've summed up our project, we thought we'd give a bit of a demo. So
all right, guys, if you want, you can go ahead and pin my screen. I'm going to be showing my screen through my camera. So feel free to pin me now, and Ajur's going to talk about our website.
Yeah, so once you open it up, you have an option between personal and admin view. So let's go to personal items. Let's say as a user, you feel like getting a book or a piece or watching a movie or something, then you go to the category of books and media, you'll find that there. And if you click on it, you can see that you can all the different details, who is posted by and everything. And then if you go back to the search page, you click on, and if you want to create a new item, you click on new item. And yeah, so, and then you can give the upload images and give all the details for the site, like a title and category, and give condition, and then finally description. And then just save and post, and it'll show up on the site there. So yes, that was it. And you can request an item as well. And then if you go to post and requests, it'll show up on your my request. And if you want, you can remove it as well. If you click on it right there, and yeah, that was a little demo of our site. Thank you for watching our presentation.